These are my power dots. They come in a single or a double, which is called duo, and these are one of my favorite physical therapy tools. Today I'm using them on my quads. Since having spine surgery a year and a half ago, my right leg has lost muscle mass. It has also had nerve damage. So I use these to stimulate muscle contraction as well as nerve function in hopes that it will bring about a balance someday. I also use these when I travel. I will use them in single or double mode depending on how my low back is feeling. Sitting for any length of time is rather uncomfortable, and these awesome little tools at least make it manageable for long distance car travel for me. So definitely one of my favorite physical therapy tools, power dots.